Hello students, I am Dr. Shrikant Bhavse, Assistant Professor at Department of Advanced Management Studies, GS College of Commerce, Varda. Today, the topic of our discussion is risk management. Now, the first question which will come in your mind is, what is risk? Risk is nothing but an uncertainty that whether the event of risk will happen or not. So, the management of risk is one of the most important thing for any person as well as for any organization. Now, we will take an example of a simple risk. Whatever we do, each and everything involves some degree of risk. That degree may be low, medium and high. For instance, if we want to do the traveling, if we are walking on the road, the risk associated is extremely low. If we are riding a bicycle, at that time the risk is quite medium. While if we are riding a bike, at that time the risk will be moderately high. But for managing that risk, what we used to do, we drive slowly, we do not do the overtake, we wear the helmet. Right? Now, we are going to discuss the simple risk with respect to the businesses. Now, what are the different types of risk? Broadly, there are two types of risk. First one is the systematic risk and second one is the unsystematic risk. Now, what is systematic risk? Systematic risk is a risk which is unavoidable, which is unexpected and which is common for all. I am giving you the biggest example of a systematic risk which the whole world is facing right now. That systematic risk is COVID-19. Just go into the month of December. No one in the world was knowing about this COVID-19 pandemic. But today, the coronavirus has spread all across the globe and it has damaged the economies of world. So this is called as the systematic risk. The another example of systematic risk is geopolitical tensions. Take an example of 2018-19, a cold war between China and US. All the emerging markets as well as the global economy witnessed great volatility due to this cold war. So this is example of geopolitical tensions. Another live example is of India and China border tensions on the line of actual control. It is also a systematic risk which is common for India as well as China. But if these two nations went into the war, the whole world economy will have to face the consequences. So these are the examples of systematic risk. Another examples of systematic risk are earthquakes, tsunamis, etc. So, no one can hide themselves with respect to the systematic risk because it is common for all, unexpected and unavoidable. Now, the second type of risk is unsystematic risk. In the unsystematic risk, it is not common for all, it is company specific or sector specific. It is quite small as compared to the systematic risk. Now, how the unsystematic risk can be avoidable or minimized? Just take an example of insurance. We used to transfer our risk to the insurance company. Another example is of diversification. By doing the diversification, we can minimize the unsystematic risk. I am giving you a simple example. Suppose an investor wants to invest 1 lakh rupees. If he or she invests 1 lakh rupees in a single stock, if that company goes bankrupt, at that time the whole 1 lakh rupees will be at stake, and the chances are pretty high that the investor will lose complete 1 lakh rupees because the company have went bankrupt. But if we diversify our risk, suppose if an investor buys shares of 10 companies and invests 10,000 rupees in 10 companies, even if one company goes bankrupt, the 9 companies will be secured. They will be having some kind of growth, they will appreciate, and we will be able to recover the losses made in a single company. So this is called as the risk diversification. Don't put all your eggs in a single basket is the principle of risk diversification. So this is the types of systematic risk and unsystematic risk. Today what we have studied, that what is meant by the risk, what are the broad categories of risk, that is systematic risk and unsystematic risk, and the examples of both. In our next video, we are going to study the types of business risk. Till then, stay tuned to our college YouTube channel. Thank you.